Rohan Dennis pleads guilty over crash that killed wife and fellow Olympian Melissa Hoskins. Olympic cyclist Rohan Dennis is not being held responsible for the death of his wife, fellow Olympian Melissa Hoskins, but has pleaded guilty to a charge that carries a maximum penalty of 7 years in prison. Dennis, 34, appeared in Adelaide Magistrates Court today to answer charges of dangerous driving causing death and an aggravated charge of driving without due care. He was arrested after Hoskins, 32, was struck by his vehicle in front of their home at Med Indy in Adelaide's inner north on December 30, 2023. Jane Abbey KC for Dennis told the court that the defense and prosecutors had agreed to drop the original charges and an aggravated charge of creating likelihood of harm would instead be laid. What is agreed that will happen today is that there will be a plea to count 3. The original charges will be dropped, she told Magistrate Justin Wickens. In respect of count 3 is entered today a charge on the basis of recklessness. So there was no intention of Dennis to harm his wife, and this charge does not charge him with any responsibility for her death. Wickens told Dennis he drove when his wife was on or near his vehicle, knowing it was likely to cause harm or recklessly indifferent to whether harm was caused. It was an aggravated offense because they were in a relationship. It carries a maximum sentence of 7 years in jail and a 5-year loss of driver's license. Dennis, who pleaded guilty to the charge, was released on continuing bail and committed to the district court for sentencing on January 24. Hoskins suffered serious injuries in the crash and paramedics took her to Royal Adelaide Hospital for further treatment. She died in hospital. She competed at the 2012 and 2016 Olympics on the track in the team pursuit, and was in the squad that won the 2015 world title in the event. During his competitive career, Dennis won 2 world titles in the road time trial, as well as silver in the team pursuit at the 2012 Olympics and bronze in the road time trial at the Tokyo Olympics. He became the 7th Australian to wear the yellow jersey as race leader at the Tour de France by winning the opening time trial in 2015, setting a race record for his average speed. He also won the 2015 Tour Down Under in South Australia. Hoskins was laid to rest in her home city of Perth, and a public memorial service was held in Adelaide in February. Dennis attended the service with their 2 children,